Parents, my name is Arif. I am studying for the class. I am telling about prepositions. It's joined two words in a sentence. On, under, far away, together, into, out of, in, between, beside, moving up, moving down, pass through, away, below. The ball is on the tunnel. The ball is under the tunnel. The ball is far away to tunnel. The ball is together to box and table. Into the ball is into the box. The ball is out of the box. The ball is in the tunnel. The ball is between two tunnel and stairs. Beside, the ball is beside to tunnel. The ball is going to move up, moving down. The ball is moving down. Pass through. The ball is pass through. Away. The ball is away. Below. The ball is below the chair. Thank you.